Thank you for tuning in. Today we discuss the snowdrop flower. As winter fades and the grip of frost begins to loosen, a humble yet enchanting flower emerges, heralding the arrival of spring, the snowdrop, scientifically known as Galanthus. These delicate beauties, with their bell-shaped white petals delicately tinged with green, bring a sense of hope and renewal after the long, cold months. Snowdrops are early bloomers, often appearing even before the snow has completely melted. Their ability to thrive in chilly conditions adds to their allure, symbolizing resilience and optimism in the face of adversity. As the first signs of life in the dormant landscape, they hold a special place in the hearts of gardeners and nature enthusiasts. These petite flowers are native to Europe and the Middle East, where they have long captivated the imagination. Snowdrops are often associated with purity, innocence, and the promise of new beginnings. In folklore, they are believed to possess magical properties, protecting against evil spirits and bringing good luck. Cultivating snowdrops can be a rewarding experience, as they are hardy and low-maintenance plants. They prefer cool, shady spots and moist soil, making them ideal for woodland gardens or under deciduous trees. Witnessing the emergence of snowdrops is a cherished moment for many, as it signals the start of a vibrant and blossoming season. Their subtle beauty serves as a reminder that even in the coldest and darkest times, there is always a glimmer of hope and the promise of brighter days ahead. So, embrace the delicate charm of snowdrops and let their arrival fill your heart with the joy and anticipation of spring. Links for the snowdrop flower can be found in the description below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.